Hey Justin, it's your buddy Larry at BEER-N-BBQ by, well, me. Here's my submission for the Pimp My Grill contest. I hope you like it. As you know, I've had problems with my Kamado Joe Big Joe hinge, causing my lid to not stay up and collapse and, if not almost shatter, almost break some bones and fingers or limbs from being inside the grill when the thing comes down. It became a very dangerous grill. And my warranty claim took about 4.5 months to fulfill, so I had to do something in the meantime. So I came up with a workaround. My trusty assistant, Woody. He's my little buddy. I couldn't have survived those 4 months without him. He was like trusty sidekick and assistant. And eventually we became very close friends. Because he saved my limbs, my fingers, and my hands from crushing injuries, and possibly my dome lid shattering from falling down on its own all the time. In fact, I got a really strong arm muscle from always holding up my grill with one hand while I had to use my other hand for everything else. It was actually becoming quite a burden. I was starting to feel like a one-handed person when I was cooking. But then Woody took care of everything for me. He was so there. He was always there for me, always holding up that lid while I was able to put my food on and pull my food off. And it's prevented me from going to the hospital with fractured fingers or crushed hands or burns. Now, I'm about halfway through my second hinge, almost in need for another replacement. So I broke out Woody again to show you guys that I still got him and knowing that he'll take care of me. So that's my mod. Thanks, Justin. I hope I make the cut and appear on one of your videos.